This set of ramen bowls was sent to me by I Love Peace in exchange for telling you about it. And these are so much cooler than I thought they were going to be. I really want to share them with you. They come in a lot of different colors. You can buy them in pairs, or you can buy them separately in a whole bunch of different colors. It is a really wonderful bowl. It is all plastic, and it's something that you can put in the microwave. You can put it in the refrigerator to store leftovers. You can put it in the freezer. I love the fact that this is great to put a meal in to take to work. So for lunch or dinner, whatever type of a shift you have. Let me show you how this looks on the inside. It actually comes with a set of metal chopsticks, which is so cool if you are sending it to work, taking it to work for your lunch. You could just literally take it like this. You don't have to put it in a bag or anything like that because your utensils are right here. So that is great. Now, when you get them in a pair, they also give you this little pack here that has Velcro at the top of it, and inside are 2 sporks that fold up. These are pretty cool, and I really love that. If you buy them separately, it appears that you get a plastic fork instead of a metal one, but it's a really nice, strong fork. So it's not something that you're just going to be throwing away because it's disposable. So they have really great utensils between this and the chopsticks. So I love this. If you are going to be microwaving something with this, make sure to take the metal chopsticks out first. Now, size-wise, this is 7 inches across if you count the handle, and 6 1/4 inch across on this side without the handle. It is 3.5 inches deep. This way, if you take the lid off, it's actually 3 inches deep. So it says it's a 40-ounce container, and if you fill it all the way to the very, very brim, it is 40 ounces, but who cooks anything without leaving a little space at the top? So there's kind of a line right about here, and when I filled it to that line, it actually held 32 ounces, so that you know how much you can actually put in here. Now, you can use this for ramen, sure, whether you are making it from scratch or have a package of it, or if you're getting the dried ones that are in a rectangular type of a package like that. You can fit 2 packs in there if you want. If you're cooking 1 pack, the directions they give online on the listing are that you put the noodles in and then fill this with water. And it says for the best results not to put the lid on it while it's cooking and to cook it for 3 minutes. If you decide to do it like that, and then you're like me and you don't like that much juice as part of your part of the meal, then you can screw this on and use this here and strain so that the water or the juice comes out there. I love that if you are taking this to work and you put whatever it is in there that you want, and if there's liquid stuff, that this is leak proof. So just a heads up on that. As long as this is sealed here and this is sealed tight, you're not going to spill on your front seat. So that's a really cool thing as well. Overall, I think this is such a cool bowl, and I am so tickled to have it and so glad that I'm going to be able to use it a lot, actually. Great for a gift idea. Oh my gosh, great gift idea.